Hey everyone, this is Rose and I welcome you to my random channel. First off, if you're wondering why I'm wearing a turtleneck, it's because I don't have my heat on because I'm very hot natured, and my apartment's actually pretty cold because it's actually cold in Georgia right now. Of course, not as cold as it is where it's snowing up in the Northeast, but still, it's cold. This is gonna be another one of my double Birchbox mystery unboxings. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will put my playlist up in the cards. I basically pull two of my past Birchboxes. It could be from a year, 2 years, 3 years ago, a month ago, and I go through the samples, compare the values, so you'll know, has the company always been good? If you're interested in joining Birchbox, it's one of the most affordable monthly subscription programs out there. It's 10 bucks a month. I'll put my referral link down below. Of course, you don't have to use it, so I'm gonna quickly get into this one. And future Rose is gonna annotate what month and year this one is. The theme was the finishing touch. The other side of the card, of course, always talks about the products and the full sizes and stuff. So the first product, I'm going to admit, I've kind of effed this up for myself because the first product that's in here, I've actually already taken out and used. But I do remember the product did not have a measurement on it, so I wouldn't be able to calculate the value anyway. It was a eyebrow pencil. The Cella eyebrow pencil in tantalizing taupe, full size is 18 bucks. It was a small, like really, well, the pencil's really skinny, which I will admit, I'm a fan of the fatter ones. But this creamy fine tip brow pencil boasts a universal shade for soft, full, natural looking brows. Use an eyebrow brush to smudge into the brow for a natural defined finish, which the tantalizing taupe actually did work for me. The next thing is this teeny tiny body cream sample, Juera Candle Nut Body Cream. The full size is 38 bucks. This is 0.34 ounces. Nourishing candle nut oil deeply penetrates for softer, smoother skin. While skin is still damp, massage into arms, legs, anywhere that needs an instant moisture boost. The next thing is by Marcel. Very interesting. The New Age Lumi Power 3-in-1 Moisturizer. The full size is 26 bucks. This is 0.3 fluid ounces. This is interesting because this is a moisturizer that works for your face and your eyes, which normally doesn't work because the eye area is a more delicate area, and so that's why eye creams are specific for the eye area. But anyway, uses multi-action formula to fight the signs of aging, protect skin from environmental stressors, and get a radiant glow. Uses a day cream, night cream, or eye cream. Pretty interesting, pretty smart Marcel for a person that wants to be a minimalist. Oribe Superfine Hairspray. The full size is $22 to $33. This is 0.9. I think we all know that Oribe is pretty pricey product line, so I can't but wonder how much this is worth. This medium hold mist keeps your style going strong while leaving hair shiny and soft. Apply as a finishing touch to dry, styled hair for a brushable hold. And then the last sample in this box is by the Organic Pharmacy. It's a purifying seaweed clay mask, 0.24 fluid ounces. The full size is 70 bucks. Jesus H. The seaweed packed mask calms redness, nixes blackheads, and draws out impurities. Smooth a generous layer over clean skin after 10 to 20 minutes. Remove with a damp cloth. Alright, so the value of this first mystery Birchbox I just boxed is, and of course that doesn't include the Cella brow pencil. So I'm going to quickly move on to this second box that says 2016, the year of blank. I think we were supposed to write something to motivate ourselves. So I'm assuming this is a 2016 box, most definitely. Can't help but wonder if it's like January, since it has like a... Yep, it is. January 2016. And so... yes, this side of the card talks about the theme, and then of course the other side talks about the samples. And yeah, I could definitely tell that this was older because they no longer use the tissue paper. And here we go. These were the stickers that I guess that we were supposed to stick on the outside of the box, which I can find another purpose for these stickers. I'm gonna quickly go through these. Now I have these two as two separate samples, which I can see probably people not being very thrilled about it, even though they're both a substantial size. I know I've seen other YouTubers, they often complain when a shampoo and conditioner account is two, because you technically, you do use the two together. But this is by Beautiful Nutrition. It's the Grapefruit Detox Shine Repair Shampoo and the conditioner. The full sizes of both is 12 bucks. I hate to say, but this doesn't have a measurement on it, which sucks, because that's how I'm able to determine the values. So honestly, I have no clue what the values of these two are, which makes me kind of sad, because they're actually a decent size, even though the full size product is 12 bucks. But still. Okay, so the next thing is the Cargo Swivel Shadow Stick in the color Coral Reef. The full size, it's a trio, is $22. And so this is one of a trio. And it is like a pencil that I believe, oh nope, it doesn't twist, so I guess this sharpens. 0.01 ounces. The waterproof and smudge-proof formula glides on quickly without creasing, plus the stick doubles as an eyeliner pencil. Next sample is by Derma E, the Hydrating Serum Hyaluronic Acid. The full size is $29.50. This is 1/4 ounce. Nice little sample that has a pump on it. This ultra hydrating formula absorbs deep into skin for a smoother, younger looking complexion. And the last thing is a Nug Beauty Distress Mask. The full size is $16.50. This is 0.33 full ounces, so obviously this is one use right here. This mask is made with 9% natural ingredients and will help you de-stress while calming skin and boosting hydration. So the value of this January 2016 box is, I'll go ahead and throw up that other value so you can compare. Am I still a member of Birchbox? Of course. Now my battery's dying, so I may not have a proper outro, but I'm gonna try. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. And again, this is it. Again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this video at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, become part of my random family. And don't forget to click that bell for notifications. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day, and you will see me again hopefully very soon.